My name is Ali Ramtula, and I got an FUE hair transplant at the Sharma Clinic here in Edmonton. I decided to get an FUE hair transplant because hair has always been a part of my personal identity and personality. So at the first sight of loss, I really wanted to make sure that I addressed it, corrected it, and can continue enjoying my hair for years to come. I guess prior to the procedure, once I arrived at the clinic, I was greeted, taken into a room. They'd asked me what I'd had for breakfast that morning, and apparently it wasn't enough, so I was actually forced to eat more breakfast while I was here. It was a very smooth transition and smooth process. They made me feel very comfortable and very welcome at the clinic, and they did a great job getting me ready for the procedure. So it was an extremely long day. I think my procedure took 13 and a half hours from the time that I arrived at the clinic until I left at the end of the day. Dr. Sharma and his staff were very attentive to my care and comfort and made sure nothing was sacrificing that throughout the day. So if I needed breaks or I needed a Diet Coke, whatever the case might have been, they were there and they delivered that. So it was actually a very enjoyable experience, and really 13 and a half hours flew by in a snap. We broke for lunch right after that, and after lunch we actually did the implants, and that was a very comfortable process. I just sat on my cell phone, played some games, listened to music, and just had a very enjoyable experience while they actually implanted them into my head. So I'm currently 7 weeks post-op, and I've kind of gone through most of the early phases or stages. So I've gone through the scabbing phase. All of the hair has actually fallen out, and now the actual follicles, as you can see, are starting to sprout. So it's actually really exciting right now to see hair growth. I'm feeling great right now. I'm feeling excited. I'm feeling a little impatient because I want to see the hair grow faster, but your body can only do so much, of course. So I'm optimistic right now. It looks like it's worked really well, and I'm really excited to see what the results are like in the next 3, 6, 9 months, even up to 18 months. So what I would tell a friend or family or anyone that's looking to do this procedure is be realistic with your expectations and the results that you get. And at the end of the day, I think you really need to remember that it's a marathon and not a sprint. The results take a long time, so as eager as you are to see it, just hang in there. And make sure you take care of your grafts, especially after the procedure. It's so important to take care of them. They are your little hair babies, so take care of them. So real sincere thank you to Dr. Sharma and the staff here at the clinic. Thank you to you for listening to me, and I look forward to sharing the results with you guys in the next few months.